Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by choosing a concrete target so you can focus scope and performance. Pick mobile AR if portability matters, or tethered/standalone VR for higher fidelity. Once chosen, install Unity or Unreal and add AR Foundation or open XR packages so inputs and tracking work out of the box. Import a small asset pack and controller prefabs to prototype quickly. Make sure to configure build settings and XR plugins now so the scene you build will run on your chosen device. You now assemble the scene and interactions that make the experience meaningful. Set up the AR camera with plane detection and anchors, or a VR stereo rig with proper IPD and tracking origin, so visuals align with the user. Implement interaction using raycasts or hand tracking events, and wire controller bindings for grabbing and UI control. Once interactions work, optimize with LODs, occlusion culling, batching, and simpler shaders to maintain frame rate and comfort during long sessions. You finish by compiling and testing on the actual headset or phone. Prioritize frame rate and tracking stability because those directly impact comfort. Make UX tweaks like spatial audio, adaptive comfort settings, and a brief onboarding that explains controls. Once done, perform iterative fixes. If tracking drifts, lower visual fidelity or reduce complex shaders temporarily and retest. If something still breaks, check device logs and isolate input or physics systems to find the offending module.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.